Hi, I'm Mark Walters of CreatingWealthClub.com. If you're interested in real estate investing, well then I've got something that's really going to be important to you. I happen to be a third-generation real estate investor. My grandfather started investing in real estate in 1937 in San Jose, California. And since that time, my family's never stopped investing in real estate. And I can tell you there's one ingredient that can make you so successful it's not even funny, and that's your ability to be able to find private money. Now, I've just put together a free ebook that will show you exactly how to do that. It's called How to Find Millions in Private Money, and you can get it at my website, cashmoneyquick.com. Now, the important thing to realize is that it doesn't matter what your credit rating is, because private money is only interested in the deal. And you can put together any kind of real estate deal when you've got the ability to be able to find the money. So if it's commercial real estate you're interested in, fine. If it's probate investing, fine. If it's bankruptcy real estate or tax deed real estate investing or pre-foreclosures, fine. Because once you've got access to the money, you can make the deals happen. But another great thing happens, and that is once you're able to find the money, well then you can partner up with other people who are finding the deals and you can work it from both ends. It's incredibly powerful. And my new free ebook on the subject will show you exactly how to put this together. So go to my website, cashmoneyquick.com, and I'll share more with you right now.